Hello everyone and welcome to Jonas's 3D printed Mandalorian helmet. Gosh, I can pull this off. I hope. This is Thingiverse. You can just download files to 3D print here. This seems like it's the most liked and printed one, but this one seems cooler. It has like the cheeky things. Let's go with this one. Okay, what I've done is I've sliced the model into some parts, and now I need to put them on the printer slicer.
This is the second time starting my print. The first time I didn't adhere already to the bed. But maybe this time it's gonna be a 1 day and like 8-hour print. It's the longest print I've ever done. This is me trying for the 4th time. Hopefully this time I can get the first layer down properly. This is usually what happens. Adjusting the 3D printer sucks. It's only printed about 10%, and this is only one of 5 pieces since I've sliced it, right? But you can't see this here is like a support because there's going to be a little bit of an overhang for the visor. It's a slow process. I'm testing this microphone now.
Hey, it's me, voiceover Jonas. I'm just checking my mic here, but this is basically my 3D printing journey so far. Enjoy. I'm just editing all of this now. It's pretty annoying. But see you soon. Go faster. Schneller.
That's the back done. Part 4. It's been glued badly. I'm gonna have to do a lot of sanding.
Been gluing this thing for a while. It's bullshit. Printing parts and gluing them together like this. This kind of sucks.
One more side piece after this, and then it's all sanding.
Last part.
Some touch-ups, and then I'm gonna glue all these pieces onto the sides.
need to cut out this shape, which is then going to help me choose which color I want for my visor. I'm leaning towards red at the moment. Well, this is what I landed on. Now let's put in my color of choice. I don't like this at all. Some tissues got stuck while gluing, and then glue ran onto the visor, and I tried to clean it. Now it's got tiny scratches all over it. I'm gonna have to try to do this again. Here is my latest design. That was a pain to pull out, but I'm almost ready.
See ya.